What's up, y'all? It's your girl VashtiDenise, and this is a tutorial on how to do this style. My Marley twists, okay? These are the extensions. I did this last night. It took me, I want to say like 8 hours. I know. I know. I'm not a fast, my hands aren't fast, right? When it comes to twisting, braiding, whatever, my hands aren't fast. So, yes, it takes me, if I'm going to do a style, I'm going to set the day aside for that, okay? One of the biggest tips that I can give with two strand twists, right? Because that's what this is, a two strand twist with Marley hair added. You have to retwist one way and then twist together a different way. Keep that in mind, right? So when you're retwisting your lock, if you retwist to the right, for me, I retwist to the right. So I retwist to the right, and then when I have the two in my hand, I'm twisting to the left, right? That keeps it from unraveling. That's going to keep the twist together from root to tip, okay? You just want to keep it. Another tip that I want to give is twists are different from the locks, the faux locks, right? So if you're wrapping, it's going to give a different effect than twisting. So once you get to that bottom situation and you're twisting, you want to twist tightly, right? When you do faux locks, you want to wrap loosely so that it can fall a certain way. With the twist, you want to twist tightly so you have a tight twist going down, because it does loosen. When you let go of the twist and you're done, it's going to loosen and swell up a little bit. So you want to make sure that you're twisting tightly as you're going down so that it doesn't swell up and then completely unravel in that way. Those are my main two tips. I'm going to give tips throughout the video. As I'm doing the process, I'll be speaking as well, but I just wanted to give you guys that beforehand. All right, let's get this going. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm using a new shampoo and it has been amazing for my scalp. If you struggle with scalp issues, hit me in the comments and let me know what you use to like soothe your scalp. I just started this new Neutrogena shampoo. If you want to know about it, let me know. But yeah, freshly washed, it's your girl. Let's get it started. These are all the products that I use. This is the Sulfur 8, my favorite. It calms my scalp. It's the best. New conditioning spray that I'm using. I'm excited to see how this goes. Some mousse, mostly for the extensions. Of course, rubber bands, tried and true. You need your pins for the retwist process. Some scrunchies. And of course, the extension hair. I am using the Cuban twist hair and the color 30. The color 30 is what I'm using. So I sectioned off my hair. I don't know how people do it to where they already have the head mapped out, but I'm not that good. So I go through and I put a rubber band over each two locks that I'm going to two strand together, and then I section it off so I can just keep going and not have to worry about it. This is the back. 4 hours later. Ugh, the back always takes the longest for me because I'm trying to see, I'm trying to grip. Yeah, but we're making progress. And 2 hours later, I have half of the front done. So I'm enjoying the process. Of course, trust the process. I'm going to show you guys step by step on a few of them so you'll see exactly what it is, but I just didn't want to do the longest video of you watching me do the whole head. So yeah, that's the front section. I'm tired already. I want it to be done. I think I went in 8 and then I got back to it. All right, this is another hour. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it from here on out. I'm not going to talk through the whole time, but I'll pop in and let you know like what needs to be done. So I take off the rubber band, of course, and then I'm going to retwist. That is the lock gel that I've been using. I've been using the black Locbooster Gel. If you've seen it in some of my previous hair videos, one of my subscribers put me onto it. Love it. It's not too greasy and not too heavy. So that's what I've been using for my whole head with this process. I put some of the setting lotion, the foam, into some water. That's water in that cup. And then mix it and cover the hair because I'm splitting it in two. And if you know, this coarse hair can sometimes be a bit tricky when you're tearing it apart. But using one piece going all the way down, it was too thick, and I wanted to have a better effect throughout the whole twist. So splitting it in two and then adding the two pieces separately definitely helped. So this is my little hack. I'm literally rubber banding my locks towards the end to that piece of hair, and then I'm twisting down. You're gonna see this multiple times. I'm showing you for the rest of my head, but I just want to let you know like what I did, because you're like, wait, what just happened? That's my little hack for this process. So once I get almost down to the bottom of my locks, I know you guys, if you've done hairstyles like this, you know that sometimes the bottom of your locks can poke out. So what I've been doing is rubber banding both locks with one piece of the hair. And then I have a little wrap moment, kind of like the faux locks, to cover up the bottom of my locks. And then I twist down. So that helps with hiding your locks and having the seamless twist throughout. Another tip I want to give, if you're using color hair, maybe use color rubber bands. I'm going to try this style again, and next time I'm going to use brown rubber bands instead of black, because I feel like sometimes the black still did show. But hey, it's a work in progress. If you see the rubber bands, be mad at yourself, okay? I still did great, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all watch for a little bit, and I'm gonna show you the whole process. done. Oh my gosh. I had to have a little celebration moment. Twerk, get it. I was just so excited. It's finally done. Okay. This one, I just slowed down a bit so you can fully watch, but it's the same process. I'm going to retwist, you know, put a little edge control. Well, I've been using the Locbooster throughout the whole head. So, you know, putting the product at the base, doing the retwist, and then I'm twisting. Like I told you guys, you retwist one way and then you twist down the opposite way. So in this case, I'm on the right side of my head, so I'm twisting away. My retwist is usually to the left. So now I'm going to twist down to the right. Okay, I'm going to take the extension hair. That's my little rack showing that I used all the hair, but I didn't. I bought like the huge pack to where it was like 4 packs in one. I bought 2 of those. So I technically used 5 packs of the individual hair. And then, you know, just tearing it apart and then adding it to my head. So this process was extensive, but not as bad. And it's definitely giving longevity now that I know how to twist to where the twist doesn't unravel. As you can see, I'm twisting down. And then when it came to adding hair, I do have colored hair, but my roots aren't colored anymore because it's grown out some. So I started adding hair pretty much where the brown came in to give more of that ombre effect. And as you see, I added that piece. So I did 2 pieces and I'm just wrapping and twisting. You want to wrap and then twist down, right? I'm also untwisting from the top because it does get tight as you go. So you can adjust as you go as well. And like I said, okay, I'm going to keep this little piece to the side and then I'm going to rubber band. As you can see my locks right there, I'm like twisting the hair around my locks and then I'm rubber banding that part so they won't come out. And then I'm going to twist it around more of the faux lock way, just so I can completely cover the bottom of my lock. And once the bottom is fully covered, then I'm going to fully twist down. And I'm going to twist down as tight as possible so that the hair can just be uniformed all the way down. And you got it, boo. Oh, I'm so excited that this is the last one. I was so tired at this point, my goodness, but we made it. Finally done. This is the final product. I love it. It's really lightweight, which I love. I hate heavy hair, so definitely love using this hair with this style. And it's definitely holding. It's a coarse hair, so it's not unraveling from the bottom, which is awesome. I also was scared that it was going to be really big because usually when I add extensions it can get big, but thankfully it did not. And it came out a nice length. I did get 24 inches. The hair is 24 inches. And I am 5'6", 5'7" on a good day. So you see how long it came for me with the 24 inches. So yeah, it came out great. Yeah, I thought I was done, but I decided to dip my ends before I went to bed. You can see I'm so tired, but I boiled some water and put it in this cup. So I'm going to dip my ends in that cup. It is obviously filled to the brim, so I'm going to pour some off so that it won't just overflow when I dip my hair in, of course. Don't be looking at my bed or the ring light. I'm sorry, y'all. I was delusional at this point, so I didn't even know what the setup was. I just wanted to show y'all that I actually dipped the hair because some people choose not to. And you don't have to with this hair. It's not going to unravel if you don't. But for me, I just wanted a bit more uniform look at the end. And y'all see I'm all up in the camera dipping. I was delusional at this point, y'all. Okay, so yeah, I just dip it a few times like that. And then when I take it out, I'm gonna take a towel and just squeeze the excess water down. Don't do it with your own hand, y'all. This is like piping hot water. So just be careful as you do this process, okay? And then I'm also like separating and just squeezing down, right? So that everything can kind of go into place. And look, it's already falling a lot flatter. You can see like dipped versus undipped. So it's taking down some of the volume too, which is awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. That's the exact look that I wanted. So that works. So after I dipped everything, I took the foam mousse, the same mousse that I was using, and just put it all over my head to smooth everything out. Make sure everything is in place, you know, make sure nothing is unraveling or anything. And thankfully it wasn't. My little earring got stuck, so I had to take that out. But yeah, this is the finished product. I love it. I'm actually putting some jewels on. As you can see, like afterwards, I decided to put some jewels on in the morning before I left. But yeah, this is the final product. So lightweight, so cute. I also put a little more conditioning oil on my scalp before going to bed. And then this is just some regular hairspray that I have just to do a nice little hold. I believe this is Carol's daughter. I've had it for so long because I barely use it. But everything came out awesome. I love it so much. It's the perfect length. And honestly, I wrapped it to a bun on the top of my head, put on a bonnet, and knocked out. I'm just showing you how long it is. It is butt length with the 24 inches. So if you want that, you don't have to get like the 40 inch because it's probably gonna be on the floor. But yes, we did that, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this style. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because I will be continuing to post more hair content. I will be having more question and answer situations when it comes to the lock journey. So if you have any specific questions, DM me or drop it in the comment and I will be sure to address them in the next video or the next time we talk for sure. Okay. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Let me know if you did it, how you liked it, and I'll see y'all next time.